Now, today we are going to start another tense, that is simple past tense. This is the fast and very basic form of the past tense. What is simple past tense and when it is used? Simple past tense is the simplest form of the past tense to describe any action in past. Simple past tense is used to describe any action in past, to describe past habits, or while telling stories or narrating incidents, or to describe any action that continued for some time in past. These are the use of simple past tense. Now let us check out all the formations of this simple past tense one after another. To start with, first is affirmative simple past tense. In a affirmative sentence, the structure will be like this. The structure will be like this. You will have to start, it is a affirmative sentence, so it will not start with verb, it will start with subject plus verb in second form, that is in past form of the verb, plus object. Okay, so for example, I ate pizza, she wrote letter. So first subject, then past tense of the verb plus object. Very simple. Now the negative simple past tense. Here also you did not have to do nothing. What you have to do, you have to include not, but in this case not will not come alone, it will come along with something. What is this? First is subject, then there will be a past tense of do verb, that is did. So subject plus did plus not plus. Now point to be remembered here, verb will be in what tense? Verb in one or verb of two, that is whether verb in present tense or verb in past tense. Which tense? Huh?
Past tense.
Here everyone will make the mistakes, as because you said past tense. Why? Because we are dealing with the simple past tense. But no, my dear, here the verb will be the verb one, that is the present tense. Why? You must be astonished. Why? We are using present form of the verb in past tense. Why it is so? It is because in this case do is also a verb and your main verb is also a verb. So if in any sentence you have more than one verb is main verb, another one verb is auxiliary or helping verb that helps the main verb. So in such a situation, generally auxiliary or the helping verb will change its tense. So as one verb has already changed its tense from present to past, so main verb will not change its tense, it will remain in the present form. Am I clear? So say for example, first I give you some examples so that it will become more clear to you. I did not eat pizza. Here I am using two verbs. One is did, one verb is did, and another verb is eat. So in this sentence, as I see that we are using two verbs, one is do verb, past form of the do verb, that is did, another one is eat. So already do verb has been the form of the do verb has been changed. It is changed from present to past. So I write it as not do, I write it as did. I did not eat pizza. So as one verb has already changed its tense, the main verb will not be changed. It will remain as it is in the present form. Is it clear? So here the formation will be first subject, then did verb, that is the past form, then not, plus present verb in present tense, not in past tense. Always remember, it is always in present tense, plus object.
Is it only for past indefinite? Only for past indefinite, right?
This is for past infinite, not only for past infinite. In many occasion in future you will find when writing any sentence, if you encounter two verbs, then generally you will find
Like
that the
tense.
auxiliary or the helping verb is changing its tense, although the main verb is not changing. You will see some more example.
Like in any tense of the both, in any tense if we encounter two verbs in single sentence, it will remain the first.
Yeah, this can you will find it most of the time. Okay, so is it clear? So this is the negative part. Now coming to the next part, that is next, interrogative simple past tense. So we have understood the simple past tense affirmative, the negative part. Now the interrogative part. Again the interrogative, in case of interrogative you again have to start with, if you are not starting with WH, you will have to start with the verb. Now which verb will you start? Here you do not have any have or has verb. Here again you will have to borrow the verb. Which verb you will have to borrow? You will have to borrow again the do verb, the past form of the do verb, that is the did. So the again the question will become, the formation will, first I am giving you the examples to, it will make you easy to understand. Did you eat pizza? So the structure will be, did she write letter? So the structure is to start with did, that is the past form of the auxiliary, then subject, then main verb will be in present form again, because in question format also you are using two verbs and the auxiliary verb has already been used in past form, so the main verb will remain in its present form plus object. Like did you eat pizza? Here did is converted to the past form. Did is past, you have used the past form of the do verb, so it will remain as it is in present form, it will not be changed to the past form. Similarly, did she write the letter? Here also you use did, that is the past form of the do, so the main verb is write, so it will not going to change it tense, it will remain in present format. Is it clear? Now coming to interrogative negative sentence. Here also nothing much to do. The construction will be in earlier interrogative sentence. What was the construction? Tell me.
Have or have.
No. Did.
Did verb plus subject.
Did plus subject plus principal verb in present form plus object. So if the question is in negative form, then what will be the construction? The construction will be similar as before, only you will have to include not. But where to put the not? Always put the not after subject. In case of affirmative sentence, just come here, look at this. In case of affirmative sentence, where are you putting the not verb? After subject you are using did and not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay? So if it is so, then when you are changing into the question, what happened? Only the subject, the verb will come before and the subject will come after. The balance construction will remain the same. So similarly here, this construction will first the verb will come, that is the past form of the did will come, then the subject will remain there, only the not will be there. Suppose in the negative, what was the formation? Formation was like this: subject plus did plus not. So had it been question, then who will interchange their position? Only these two will interchange with each other. Yes or no?
Yes.
Balance portion will remain same, so not will remain, so automatically not will come after subject.
Okay.
Get my point?
Yeah.
So the formation will be like this: did plus subject plus not plus verb in the present form plus object. Did you not eat the pizza? Did she not write the letter? Is it clear? Now coming to interrogative question. Okay. This time with WH word. So again here you will have to do nothing. In earlier WH question, in earlier interrogative format, what you have started with the did verb and then subject, then principal verb in present form plus object. Here also remain the same, only put a WH word before this. So the formation will be WH word plus auxiliary verb, specifically did here, plus subject plus verb 1, that is verb in present form plus object. Now this did may be there. Most of the time you will use did. If not, sometime you may have to use some other auxiliary verb like might or something else, but most of the case you will have to use did for past tense. Okay, suppose for example, what did you eat? So first WH, then did, auxiliary verb in past form, then you, that is subject, then the principal verb eat in the present form, then object. Here object is missing. What did she write? Again same, WH plus did plus subject plus principal verb in present format. Next, what was the address of your old house? Here again first WH word, but point to be remembered here we are not taking the auxiliary verb as did, here we are taking auxiliary verb as was. What was? So again the auxiliary verb has changed tense, from is it was become was. What was the address? This become the subject, the address of your old house. So the address of your old house is become the another part, so address and other part will remain as it is. Now for your easy reference, I have given certain example of auxiliary verb like be verb. The past form of the be verb is was, were. Have verb, the past form of the have verb is had. Do verb, the past form of the do verb is did. Shall verb, the past form of the shall verb will be should. Will verb, the past form of the will verb will be would. Can verb, the past form of the can verb will be could. The may verb, the past form of the may verb will be might. So this sort of auxiliary verb may be used. Now the last part, W8 question in negative format in simple past tense. How to write? Here also you will have not to do anything more. Just follow the previous construction of WH questions and put the not after. Right.
Like
so the construction will be
WH word plus the auxiliary verb plus subject plus not plus the principal verb.
plus verb in present form plus object. So the actual construction, again I am telling you, WH word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus not, you are putting not extra here, plus verb in the present form, that is principal verb in the present form, plus object. Okay, for example, why did you not come to school yesterday? It is your favorite question because you many a times you absent your school. So whenever your teacher will ask, he or she will have to ask like this: why did you not come to school yesterday? And the beauty of this question is that it is always be asked in past tense, because it will be always asked after the incident had occurred, that is you have absent. So here again WH word, then did, past form of the do, then subject, then not, then the principal verb come will remain as in present form, come it is, to school yesterday, the balance object portion. Another one is what was you not touched. This is another example. There can be many forms.
What was your not trust?
What was you not touched? What was you not touched? What was you touched? তুমি কি ছুঁয়েছিলে? What was you not touched? তুমি কি ছোঁওনি?
Yeah, I think there was a grammatical mistake in what.
No, there is no mistake. The question may sound weird. Why someone going to ask you this type of question? But this question sometime may be asked. Suppose if you are an investigation in a crime scene, you may have asked your junior that what was you not touched, but what were you not touched. Get my point? So this is also a good example. So there can be a numerous example. That example is not the important. The important is that the concept of the tense and its formation. Is it clear? Okay, then it's okay.